Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm gonna do my full face of makeup with one brand, which is Forever52. This is first impression, review, one brand tutorial, 3-in-1 video. So if you guys want to see my review, my first impression, one brand tutorial, base ko lagi especially from Forever52, from their foundation, concealer, powder, blush and setting spray. I have 5 of their product, I guess 5 or 6. I have 6 of their products. I did this makeup using these products. So if you guys are interested, then please continue watching this video. And all of these products are available at Foreveryng. I got everything from Foreveryng. I'll put their link in the description box below. Forever52 products are exclusively available at Foreveryng. Let's just moisturize our skin. I'm using Barrier Repairing Moisturizer from the Koil skincare brand. This is a Nepali product. Forever52 Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation. This is in the shade Honey. I don't know if this is gonna match my skin or not. So this comes in a glass bottle like this. Comes with a pump, which I like. So let me take about. The consistency is pretty thick. I think my skin type is dry. To apply the foundation, I'm using my blender. This is Morphe blender. My hands are so dark compared to my skin because it's summer now. I always ride scooty, so my hands are always dark. So this is in the shade Honey. I'm gonna take a little bit on my blender. Then it's pretty. Oh, this is thick. This is full coverage. Oh my god, this is full coverage. See that? I just took a little amount and it literally covered everything. I'll just show you the half. I don't like to take my foundation and dot it all over my face and then start blending. I just start blending that foundation, start buffing that on my hand, and then I apply that, and then I bounce that blender on my skin so that it gives right amount of coverage, and it already starts blending. I'm also gonna use this foundation under my eyes. This is like, guys, this is full coverage. This actually looks a little lighter on camera, but in real life it doesn't look that bad. No foundation. First layer of foundation. First impression is it's full coverage. Full coverage. Raw. First impression is it's full coverage. And it's blending really nicely. And it doesn't have any strong scent as well. Maybe the shade is a little light for my skin, but it looks even more lighter on camera. I'll use a little more bronzer to balance the shade. This is not a dewy foundation, it's really thick, but I love how this doesn't feel heavy at all on your skin. Whenever we use full coverage, extremely full coverage foundation, it gives coverage, but it feels heavy at the same time. But I love how this feels light on the skin, yet gives so much coverage on your skin. Love it. 04 shade is to brighten up your eyes, under eyes. Then taking that blender, I'm just gonna buff that. I'm just gonna press that under my eyes and blend it outwards. This is thick banana powder from Forever52 again. Take my blender one more time. Just push the concealer just so that there is no creasing. I'm gonna take a little bit of powder, smooth it out, smooth powder. Make it look a little smooth, and then press it under here I like the powder as well. Nice. I love banana powder. I love how this helps to neutralize your concealer, your under eyes. I don't like the set rest of the face. Oh, I like the powder. It's like literally setting the foundation so nicely. Kuni powders are looking lighter on camera. It's looking really light on camera, but I have a huge light in front of me. It's looking a little light, but in real life, it's really pigmented, your color. You can imagine my face is, that is the reason why my foundation looks a little light on camera, because I'm filming in a studio light. So this is the blush that I'm going to be using. My brush, taking that on back of my hand, applying that on here. It looks so bright on pan, so pretty. If you just blend it nicely, it looks really beautiful. Shimmer on inner corners. Now I'm gonna take the same blush on small pointed pencil brush. Then I'm gonna apply that lower my lashes, then wing this out a little bit just to make that pink eyeliner effect, and then I'm gonna drag that to my crease, just like that. Then you will line my lips with some lip liner. This is in the shade Uncensored. I love this shade. I've used it multiple times. I like to mix and match this color with my lip liner. It's a crayon, so take your finger and then I like to blend it out. If I'm going out at night, evening or night, I just apply a nice lip gloss and make it look nice and shiny. This is so pretty. I love this lip combo. So to set everything in, I have Forever 52 Makeup Fixer Spray with Vitamin E. This is a matte finish setting spray. This is my first time trying it. Oh, this feels like a perfume. Body spray laga jasto feel bhayo malai. It's not like regular setting spray, because the spray on this setting spray is super soft and mild. See, like esto jun hamle perfumes haru huncha ni, it's like body spray jasto. Oh, I like it. Alright, so my final thoughts on the products. I really liked the foundation. It is matte. This is not dewy. Mild bunny dewy. It is really thick. It's full coverage. But the thing I liked about this foundation is this did not feel heavy at all, because on a regular basis I don't apply foundation. I don't like that feeling of heaviness, that feeling of like I have something on my face. I don't like that. So that is the reason why I don't like full coverage foundations on my skin. But I really love how lightweight this feels. This is full coverage foundation from Forever 52 HD Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation is a yes for my side. And after I tried Forever 52 Banana Powder, it's a yes from my side. It sets your foundation, your concealer so nicely. I love the packaging. Blush ko packaging chai man paryo. If you love coral, summer color, if you are looking for a nice blush, pigmented, patchy nadekhine, softly blend hune blush man parcha bhani chai get the color, same color, summer ko lagi it's really nice. And if you have medium to dark skin tone bhani pani, this is gonna look really nice on your skin. This is in the shade 02. The lip crayon, especially the shade Uncensored, it's so pretty. If you apply that with some brown lip liner, this is gonna look so good on your skin. And also if you can get some brown lip gloss bunny, use it and apply that on top of this color, it looks so pretty. So lip crayon in the shade Uncensored, so pretty. get this one. It's so affordable. And then lastly, I love use setting spray. It's mild. I showed you isko spray is so soft, it's like body spray ko jasto. These were the products from Forever 52 for the base. So for the base, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.